On today's body cam, we're checking out. She broke into a car and thought no one would catch her. Big mistake.
You see?
Jada, I wasn't there.
I don't care. You're a part of it.
At a Connecticut courthouse, a woman learns she has an active arrest warrant, but instead of surrendering, she makes a decision that only makes things worse.
Whoever was there last time had some, like, they were treating me a certain way, and I'm literally terrified to go back there.
Okay, well, that's not me, so.
I said you don't know if she's going to be processed today?
No, she's going to be processed today, and then, so you can certainly go over there and, you know, you can talk to the front desk and ask them what her bond's going to be and stuff. And then if...
You can't leave.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.
You can't leave here. You can't leave here.
You can't leave here, but you just let her walk right past you. Come on, man. What's the point of you guarding the door if you just gonna let her walk right past you, man? Oh, there she go. Unbelievable. Oh, he fell. Wow.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Jada. 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 Jada.
Relax, Jada. That's good. You're gonna make it worse. You're gonna make it worse.
Jada.
If you do all that, you're gonna make it worse. Please.
Jada.
Please. No.
Shut the door.
You're not doing that.
Get away from me.
Please.
Jada.
Jada, we can't do that. We can't. You're gonna make it worse, Jada.
Come on.
No.
Relax.
Get off of me. Seriously,
Jada.
stop.
Jada.
No.
Jada.
Please, relax. You're making it worse.
Jada.
Stop, please.
Cito.
Please, Jada, please.
Jada.
Listen. What's going on?
Cito.
Can I just talk to you?
No, they're trying to.
Jada.
Cito, no, Cito, stop. Cito.
Jada.
Stop. I can't. We can't do
Cito.
that. We can't do that. You're making it worse. Stop.
Jada.
Stop. Please.
Get off of
This is so dangerous with that car being on. All he got to do is accidentally hit the gas. And these officers that's stuck in this door like that, you either got to be out the truck or in the truck. You can't be like this because you're going to get hurt if he accidentally hits the gas. You know what I mean? Their feet is down there.
me.
You're in my seat.
Cito, get off of me.
Jada.
Get off of me.
Jada,
Get off of me.
you're gonna make it worse.
Jada.
Nobody's on you.
Jada.
Let go of me.
Cito, you're gonna make
No.
Wait, Jada, please listen. You're gonna make it worse for yourself. Come on.
Get off of me. You're touching me.
You're on me.
Trying to grab the car keys.
Come on, Jada, please. Relax.
Jada.
You're hurting me.
Then you gotta let
Stop.
go.
Stop.
It's not even yours.
Stop, Jada. Stop. You're gonna make
Okay.
it worse. You're gonna make it worse.
Just let me calm down.
You're gonna make it worse.
Just let me calm down.
You gotta take a breath.
Calm down, please. Let me calm down.
You're making this.
Please let me calm down.
I know, but I'm just trying to talk to you. You're making this way worse on yourself.
I can't.
You're making this way worse on things, Jada.
Come on,
Jada.
you're gonna make it worse, bro.
Cito,
Come on, boy.
Jada. Open that door.
stop. This is fucking crazy.
Jada.
Get off of me.
Come on.
Seriously, stop. No.
Jada.
Don't touch me. They tried to kill me there last night. Malcolm, stop.
Jada, no one's trying to hurt you.
Please, Malcolm.
Jada, take a breath.
No, she's not talking about that. She's talking about the jail. You see this stuff a lot with people that, well, no one ever really wants to go to jail, right? It's not like you wake up and be like, yay, I can't wait to go to jail. Like, no. But if you've been there before and you've have problems in there, especially we're talking about the county jail, those people are probably still there and you've made some enemies and they probably waiting on you to return. So that's probably what she means when she said, they tried to in there, and she's terrified to go back.
I do what you see.
Jada.
You're not listening.
Take a breath.
No.
Jada.
Just chill.
No. Oh my God, no.
Jada, take a breath.
Come on.
Get off.
Chill.
No. I need everybody to get off of me.
No,
I'm gonna fucking kill myself. myself. You gotta get off of
The
me.
person on you is your boyfriend.
No, you keep touching me.
You need-
And you're
you
from
need-
Troop C.
you need to get out.
And that's why. No.
It's just me. It's just me touching you. I don't want you to go, but like, bro, you kind of have to at this point.
Jada, it's simple.
Get off of me.
It's simple.
Get off of me.
Make it, Tito, come on. What do you mean they're gonna hurt you? Why would they hurt you?
No
Why would they hurt you?
No one's gonna hurt you, Jada.
They
No.
would lose their job if they would hurt you. What are you talking about?
No.
Jada.
Stop.
Get the fuck away from me.
Stop. You're gonna break something in my truck, please.
Seriously, it's his truck, man.
Jada. What? Jada, can you listen to me for a second?
No.
End up crashing this shit. Bro.
I'm not.
Jada.
Come on, please.
Jada.
Stop, please.
Jada.
No, I'm about to get pissed off.
You're already pissed.
Jada, listen for 2 seconds.
Come on, Jada, please, bro. Come on, Jada.
Yo.
Please, bro.
Jada, you gotta calm down. Jada, you're making this way worse.
Come on.
I don't get why his hand is in here.
Stop.
Why are you touching me?
You're gonna make it worse. You're gonna make it worse. Jada. Please,
All right. Yo, she's gotta come out. She's gotta come out.
Stop.
She's gotta
Let me go. Okay, let me go. No.
Jada, stop.
Let me go.
Jada.
Please let me go.
Oh my God, bro. This is
Jada.
crazy.
Jada.
Let me go.
Jada,
Call
look.
my grandma. No.
Jada.
No.
Jada.
Where's my
take
phone?
a-
No.
It's on the ground outside the truck here, dude. Jada, come on.
Get off of me. Get.
Come on. Don't, bro. Stop. Listen, you're
Get
gonna.
off.
It would be worse. It would be worse.
I'm gonna stop, but get off of me. There's no keys. I can't go anywhere. Get off of me. He has the keys. Get off
I have
of
the
me.
keys and shit. She
Get.
can't.
There's no keys in here.
I know, but she needs to get.
Yes,
I promise you can absolutely talk to her. You gotta
Give-
come out, and then we'll let you talk to her.
Give me a minute.
Hey, ADC.
No.
Jada.
You have my keys. Just let us see.
I-
it.
No.
I have to let
No.
Wise, you can't.
No.
Throw me a Manchester unit. She's actively
Gotta get her out
resisting
of
us in the
truck.
parking lot.
Because this is just insane. Jada.
Get off of me. Stop touching me.
Jada, you're gonna make.
This is what I mean. You don't touch me.
The sooner we get it over
You're
with,
from
that's it.
Troop C. Leave me alone. They tried to hurt me.
Okay, but he's not trying to do anything. We're just trying to get the
He
situation
is.
squared.
Jada, no
And
one's
that's
trying to
why you were
hurt
giving
you.
me that look in that office. You're not about to take me there
No one's trying to hurt
and
you.
treat me like absolute fucking shit.
Jada.
Like y'all did
Jada.
last time.
Nobody
No! They denied me. They didn't give me a phone call.
Jada, I wasn't
You
even
guys
there.
had me in there.
Dude, I let you call him.
No, I'm not talking about
Okay,
you.
but that's what I'm saying.
I'm not talking about you.
Right, but he's.
I'm talking about Troop C.
Jada, I wasn't there.
I don't care. You're a part of it. And I felt a certain way.
Jada, please.
No.
Jada, please.
No.
Jada.
Oh, so she is talking about the way the officers treated her.
Come on.
You guys don't care.
No, we absolutely
No.
do care. We're not trying to make it worse
No.
for you, though. This
And
is
this
crazy.
is not even me. I don't even do stuff like this. I always comply. I always go
so
to
then
court.
Show us that.
I
Come on,
always
'cause
do
this is
that.
getting crazy, Jada.
No, that
But,
person
come on, I guess, like,
that I
fuck
caught the
up.
case with in Tallinn, they had a warrant out for the arrest. And I called my lawyer and I asked him, I said, he has a warrant out. Do I have one too? He said, I'm going to check for you. And he checked the database for me. And he told me that there was no warrant out for me.
That's
so
obviously
now-
between you and him. As of
I
right now, you have
understand.
the warrant, so.
I understand that, but I'm saying I'm scared.
All right, well,
I'm scared. No, the last time I went to Troop C, they treated me like shit.
okay, but
They did, and they
This
said a
trooper-
bunch of racist comments to me. And now you guys are all trying to grab me and
Well,
bring me
I mean-
back to this place that they hurt me at.
Jada, I mean, unfortunately, you're hiding out in your truck right now. Like we're trying to do it the right way. None of this would happen if you just kind of remain calm. So we're only trying to get you out of the truck because you ran into the truck. Okay, we're all here. It's gonna happen, but take a breath. The trooper's gonna bring you back. He's the one who okayed the phone call to him. So he's obviously fine.
No.
Yeah, he
You
allowed
guys
you
are
to.
only saying stuff like that because you guys all work together. You guys are all police. That's how it works. I don't feed into stuff like that. He's from Troop C.
Jada, he literally asked me if you
Just
could
give
have a
me
phone
a second.
call.
You came in here though. You came into the office already with a stink attitude. Then I'm trying to ask you questions, and you're giving me a stink attitude too. You can act like you want in front of everybody, but I already know that you come from a stink attitude Troop C. They all have stink attitudes there. You all treated me like shit there. Whether it was you personally, you guys still did it as a collective.
Okay.
And it made me feel a certain way.
Okay.
I just turned 25. I'm young. You're not about to take me over there and treat me like crap.
Okay. Either way, we have to go there today.
Well, let's just rewind here a little bit. You would never have to go there in the first place if you weren't in this position to begin with. I mean, I don't know what else to say. You clearly did something to even put yourself in this situation or whatever. So you being 25 and all of that stuff, you've been there before and you're going back again. It is what it is. But if you stayed on the straight and narrow, you wouldn't have to deal with this stuff to begin with. Just remember that.
Okay? We just transfer you to Troop C, process you, and it's over.
You're just making this worse for you.
Call my fucking grandmother right now.
Absolutely
No,
not.
on your phone right now. Grab my phone too. Because y'all ain't taking my shit. No.
All your stuff's going with you, Jada.
Get her grandmother on the
That's
phone.
not
Her
the
grandmother
how-
will be the person that.
This is my
that's
phone.
hers. The other one's red one's mine. Her grandmother is the only person I'll probably be able to calm her down right now, like for real.
Yes, I need to call my grandmother.
You got all these. Look at this.
Well, it don't matter about calming down. You either gonna willingly come out this truck or we gonna pull you out this truck, man. Cause they're tired of sitting here dealing with you.
Yeah, I know. Just,
Come on,
I don't
Jada,
want
this
this
is
to
getting
escalate.
crazy now. No,
I don't
I
want this to escalate. Just tell them to chill. Everything's chill.
It's gonna
Call
escalate.
grandmother real quick. She's the only person that'll calm her down right now.
I get it.
Nah.
But you gotta get her out of the car.
I absolutely will. Just chill out. She's calling her grandmother to let her know the situation and everything. Just
I'm coming up.
just let her. She's gonna come out with you guys. So, okay?
Grandma, I came to probation and they told me that I had a warrant in Tallinn and now they're trying to take me over there.
Are you checking your
Yes, I came here and I came here to meet my probation officer and they're like, oh, you have a warrant in Tallinn. I'm like, how? I just came from over there.
Manchester's 31.
That's what I'm saying.
We're working on it.
Okay. That. So I will explain it to her as well. But
What'd you say, Grandma?
so
I don't think they know that yet. She said, is there a bond on the warrant?
We'll tell her that, but you gotta come out
She
and
said
stop doing this stuff.
They said
Just
that
get out.
I ran
We'll
into
call her,
Malcolm's
we'll go
car,
from
Grandma,
there.
because I was scared. I know I am getting out. I am getting out. But they
her,
do
she'll
stuff
go back
over there,
inside.
Grandma, where they try to make me not be able to talk to anybody. I don't know. I don't know, Grandma. I literally left court, came here to probation, and now all of a sudden they said I had a warrant.
I'll call her and explain it to her.
He said he's gonna call you and explain it to you.
Keep her phone on you. Take it. Let's have him get out first, and you can get out. All right? Come out this way.
Also. Just come back to the back of the truck.
I'll get
No, sir.
Can you get your hand off me? I don't want you touching me. I just don't want you touching me. Don't touch me.
It's me now.
81 in custody.
Somebody is open up.
88 Roger, 1 custody.
No, bro.
Just watch your head getting in. For that driver's side phone.
She now faces multiple charges, including conspiracy to commit larceny, conspiracy to commit criminal mischief, illegal use of a credit card, and interfering with an officer. The court set her bond at $50,000 on the outstanding warrant and an additional $50,000 for fleeing and resisting arrest, for a total bond of $100,000. For more videos like this,
subscribe, let the 808 slide.